Already we studied about three rules. Images formed due to refraction through a convex and concave lens. Now we are going to study about refraction through a convex lens. Refraction through a convex lens. We have studied the two rules. The first rule is the ray which is passing through the center of curvature won't be deviate. Second rule, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focal point after refraction. These two rules is very important for the refraction through a convex lens. The first I am going to draw a lens. Principal axis first. What I have drawn is principal axis. In that, keep a center point 2 centimeters on both the sides. On both the sides, 2 centimeter. Note it as optic center F1 to F1. F1 to F1. The second side, so you will be noting it as F2 and 2F2. So in between at the center, optic center, draw a lens. Convex lens. Draw a convex lens. Draw a convex lens. If the rays are coming through a parallel, if rays are parallel, if the rays are parallel, you know that after refraction it will converge through the focus point. The same way in the negative side, bottom side of the principal axis. If the rays are parallel, after incident the lens, it will converge through the focal point. This is your first. When object is at infinity, you will get an image at your focus point. First case, object at infinity. In the second case, object placed beyond C or beyond 2F. Object placed beyond C or beyond 2F. What I said, object placed beyond C or beyond 2F. Greater than 2F. Object placed beyond C or greater than 3F. The same way, we draw a principal axis. Draw a principal axis. Note the center point 2 centimeters on both the sides, and write F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. Center one is O, that is optic center. There you have to draw a convex lens. After drawing the convex lens, what is the condition? Object is placed beyond C or greater than 2F. So I am keeping an object beyond 2F, and noting it as AB. Here we are going to apply the two rules. One is the ray is passing parallel to the lens. Other one is passing to the optic center. You know very well the two rules. The ray which is parallel to the principal axis will be refract through the focus. And The ray which is passing through the optic center won't deviate, and where these 2 points will meet in between F and 2F, there you will get an image. Here you will be getting an image. This is your object, this is your object, this is your image. The image, how the image will be, the image is inverted image. The image is inverted image. So when an object is placed behind the center of curvature, real inverted image is formed. The center of curvature and the principal axis, the size of the image is same as that of the object. Then when object is placed at C, that is 2F. Third condition is object is placed at C, that is 2F. Object is placed at so again draw a line, keep the center and mark 2 centimeters. Draw the lens at the center. Then where I have to set, object is placed at 2F. The first point is F1 and second point is 2F1. The object is placed at 2F. This is F2 and 2F2. The same way you have to draw. Before drawing, there is a trick to draw this. What it is means, you can know where the image is formed. You can first notice that where the image is formed. If you know where the image is formed, it is easy for you to draw and complete. The image is formed at 2F. If you keep a 2F, the same way in opposite next side, it will form at the 2F. For that also the two rules. One is parallel, another one is passing through the center. You know very well, the parallel ray will be refracted through focus and stop exactly near the 2F and make this line to join there, and make this line to join there. Exactly at 2F you will got your image. You got your image. Then the third condition, object is placed between F and 2F1. Object is placed between F and 2F1. That is the same condition what you had seen in the second. Object is placed between F and 2F1. The image will be formed at beyond 2F. Ulta condition of your second one. Then the fifth one, object placed at focal point. When object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at focal point. When the object is placed at focal point, the image will be at infinity. Ulta condition of your first. Then before the focal point, that is your sixth one. So are you able to understand these three things? We will see the next three things in the next video.